Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dean. If this is your first time here, go ahead and click that subscribe button, like, comment, and share this video. So today I have a quick video. I'm just doing a Walmart unboxing. So I mentioned in previous videos that you can get a baby registry box from Walmart. So here it is. So if that's something you're interested in watching, then go ahead and stay tuned. Okay, so the box comes like this. And this is how it looks when you open it. So I think my box is a little different from other videos that I've seen, so I'll just go through it really quick. So I have these Pampers here. This is 6. And some more water wipes. I have 10, and this one does have the coupon on the back. This is, I believe, it's one pamper here. Like that. Some Stretch Mark cocoa butter lotion. Some Huggies special delivery. This is on a lot of boxes. This is 3 and it's a size 1. Get an Enfamil packet here. Formula. I don't know if I use that, but got some more bottles. An Even Flow here. And another Dr. Brown's here. And a cute little pacifier right here. Some Baby Dove wash. Some Dress detergents. A little sample of that. And what is this? I think this is for stomach aches or something. No, this is cold tablets. Baby cold tablets here. And it's 2 of the little samples in here. And you get a little Enfamil thing here. I don't know if that's a coupon or what. I think it's just to scan it to your registry. And some information on Medela breast pump. And you get this little envelope and so you just get these little milestone cards here. So it has 1 month old. I believe it goes all the way up to 12. So yeah. So yeah, it goes all the way up to 12 months. And from there, it just has little milestones. I walked today. I crawled today. I stood up today. And today and whatever we did. That's really cute. So that is everything you get in the Walmart box. So really quickly, I just want to share what I got from Enfamil, because I actually forgot about even registering or filling out any information with Enfamil. So I just got a surprise package in the mail. So I'm just gonna go through it really quickly. It's not big or anything. So it's so yeah, it's a little box here. Comes like that. Little Enfamil box. So in here, you just get some information on the different formulas they have and more information here. You also get some little sample packs. One like this. I don't know which one this is. Yeah, I don't know. And you also get one like this. This is the Gentle Ease. I believe this one is new. You also get a booklet of little check coupons here. And each one is like an amount of $5. So, yeah. So you just get $5. It's a whole bunch. And I believe these all expire on the same day, which is, oh no, they don't. They kind of gradually go throughout the year. So this should last you for the entire time that your baby, you know, is growing. And with Enfamil, I filled out the information a long time ago, like in the beginning of my pregnancy, and they must wait until it's a little closer to your due date to send out the milk so that the coupons don't expire as soon as you get it. So that's really thoughtful, really, you know, something to look out for if you're gonna fill out the information for Enfamil. So yeah, and as far as Walmart, the Walmart box, I don't know if I mentioned, in order to get the Walmart box, the registry is really easy. Like, it's really easy to set up. All you do is you go on walmart.com, you set up your account with walmart.com, you set up your registry, and when you set up your registry, you don't even have to go through and click like a whole bunch of, you know, items to put in your cart. You literally get this prompt from an what do you call it? From an auto message. So with that auto message, they're gonna ask you like 2 questions if you're having a boy or a girl, your due date, and then there's gonna be a picture of 4 different nurseries. So you just pick which picture is your favorite, and based on that one picture, it's gonna auto-generate everything you need based on your style. So Walmart is really easy. The only thing is, it takes forever to get to you. It says 4 to 6 weeks, I believe, but it really takes like 6 to 8 weeks to get to you. So yeah, just keep that in mind. I mean, it's absolutely free shipping, no hassle, no anything to go through. It's really easy to set up, but it does take a while to get to you. So yeah, that is all I have for today. So if you made it this far, go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out, like, comment, and share, all of that, you know. I do have some more videos in store, not really baby related, but I do have a few little twists and turns coming up, so stay tuned for some upcoming videos, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.